In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products and services in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is an excellent tool designed to help businesses manage their finances, and adding your products and services is a key step to organizing your sales and inventory. Whether you're selling physical goods, offering services, or bundling several items together, this process ensures your financial records stay accurate and up to date. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, start by navigating to the Sales tab. You'll find this in the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Click on it to open the Sales menu. Once you're there, look for the Products and Services tab and click on it. This is where all your items will be listed and managed. Next, head to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a button labeled New. Click on it to open the Setup window where you'll begin adding your product or service details. Once the Setup window opens, the first thing you'll need to do is choose the type of item you want to add. You'll see multiple options here, including service, non-inventory product, inventory product, or bundle. Select the category that best fits the item you're adding. Now, it's time to enter a descriptive name for your product or service. This name should clearly identify the item so you and your team can easily recognize it. If your item has a SKU or stock keeping unit, you can input it next. This step is optional but helpful for managing inventory efficiently. After naming your item, you'll need to assign it to a category. Categories are a great way to group similar items together, making it easier to keep your list organized. If you'd like, you can also add a sales description. This description will appear on invoices and other sales documents, so it's a good opportunity to provide customers with additional details about the item. The next step is to set a sales price or rate for your product or service. This is the price your customers will see when they purchase the item. If you know the cost of the item, you can enter that as well. This is particularly useful for tracking your profit margins. Once the price and cost are set, you'll need to map the item to the correct income or expense accounts. This ensures that the financial transactions associated with this product or service are recorded properly in your QuickBooks account. If the item is taxable, make sure to mark it as taxable during this step. For inventory items, there's one more detail to add. You'll need to enter the quantity on hand. This tells QuickBooks how many units of the item you currently have in stock. You can also include any additional inventory-related details as needed. When you've completed all the fields and double-checked your entries, click Save and Close to finalize the setup. This will add the new item to your products and services list. To confirm everything worked correctly, take a moment to verify that the new item appears in the list. And that's it. You've successfully added a product or service in QuickBooks Online. Remember, you can return to this list at any time to edit details, deactivate items, or add more items as your business grows. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.